In Python, how is a comment indicated in the code? A. // B. ****/ C. Hashtag. Answer is hashtag. What is the correct way to declare an integer variable in Java? A. Int number. B. Var number. C. Number int. Answer is int number. In C++, what does the arrow operator, dash, represent when used with pointers? A. Member access. B. Address of operator. C. Dereference operator. Answer is dereference operator. How is block-level code structured in Python? A. Curly braces. B. Indentation. C. Parentheses. Answer is indentation. In the C programming language, what does the semicolon, winky face, signify? A. End of a statement. B. Beginning of a block. C. End of a line. Answer is end of a statement. What keyword is used to declare a constant variable in JavaScript? A. Const. B. Let. C. Var. Answer is const. In C and C++, what is the significance of the main function in a program? A. It executes first. B. It is a library function. C. It handles errors. Answer is it executes first. What type of language is Python considered in terms of data typing? A. Strongly typed. B. Weakly typed. C. Dynamically typed. Answer is dynamically typed. Which of the following correctly declares an array in Java? A. Int numbers. B. Array numbers. C. Int numbers. Answer is int numbers. What is the correct way to concatenate two strings in Python? A. str1 plus str2. B. str1. str2. C. str1, str2. Answer is str1 plus str2. How do you access the first element of an array in JavaScript? A. Array 1. B. Array 0. C. Array.first. Answer is array 0. In Java, what is the primary role of a constructor in a class? A. Initialize class variables. B. Define class methods. C. Create new instances. Answer is initialize class variables. How is a function defined in Python? A. Function myFunction. B. Def myFunction. C. Void myFunction. Answer is array 0. In C++, what keyword is used to indicate inheritance between classes? A. Extends. B. Inherit. C. Answer is. What keyword is used to define an asynchronous function in JavaScript? A. Async. B. Sync. C. Await. Answer is async. In C, what is the purpose of the printf function? A. Scan input. B. Print output. C. Memory allocation. Answer is print output. In Python, which value is considered false in a Boolean context? A. 0. B. False. C. None. Answer is none. What keyword is used to handle exceptions in Java? A. Try. B. Catch. C. Throw. Answer is try. How is the else statement used in Python? A. Executed if the if condition is false. B. Executed if the if condition is true. C. Executed in all cases. Answer is executed if the if condition is false. In C++, what is a class method that is automatically called when an object is created? A. Start. B. Initialize. C. Constructor. Answer is constructor.